Yo, what's going on everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your chat bots for live streaming so that you can have commands such as !lurk, !join, and a bunch of other commands. Before we get into the video, if you do enjoy the video or find this helpful, please drop a like and consider subscribing. Fortnite Chapter 3 is right around the corner and I'm planning to drop a lot of content. And I also want to drop some more tutorials for Twitch, such as setting up your panels and your description and hyperlinks and all that stuff. With that out of the way, let's get into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to do for this video is you're going to want to go onto Twitch, make sure you're logged into your channel. If you're not logged into your channel, nothing in this video will work for you. Make sure you're logged into your channel on the web browser of Twitch, and then go to your channel and go over to your chat. That way you'll be able to test your commands as you add them. Now that that's out of the way, I have a link in the description for Stream Elements. If you don't already have it, go there and you'll probably have to log into your account, but once you've logged in, your screen should look like this. Alright, so we're gonna do some of the more basic commands real quick, just setting up your own custom ones. So you're gonna come over here, over to the left, going to click chat bot and then chat commands. These are all your default commands, so you can go down and like toggle all of these. There's just a bunch of random stuff. You probably won't want all of them, but just go through and see which ones you do and don't want, and you can disable them if you don't want them. Once you've gone through your default commands, this is where it gets pretty exciting. So you're going to come here to your custom commands, and I already have a lurk command, but here, let's just delete this one just for the sake of the video, and we're going to remake it. So first you're going to click add new command, and you can kind of like ignore this choose command template. Here for command name, you're just going to put whatever you want it to be. So mine's going to be lurk. Don't put the exclamation mark, there's already one there. And then you'll just put the response. So just type in whatever you want. This is how it will respond whenever somebody lurks in my stream. And then once you've gotten these settings the way you want them, and by the way, you can change these. So maybe like you want like a command that only moderators can do, you'll select moderator. And yeah, so if you choose moderator, everybody who's moderator or higher will be able to use that command. That's how it works. Then come to the advanced settings, and it says enable command when stream is, and I'm gonna have it for the lurk. You can only do it when the stream's online. That way if I'm not streaming, people don't come in and do !lurk, because that would be kind of weird. And then the user, I don't know why it says user level, but you can make it so that it'll say their name whenever they type in the command. That's if you click reply. You can have say, so it just says whatever message you put, that's it. Or you can have it basically DM them on Twitch, which is kind of weird. I'm not sure when you'd be using that, but yeah. Leave this command cost, we don't really need to worry about that. Global cooldown, for a command like lurk, I'd set it to 0 so people can keep putting lurk. For user cooldown, I'd set it to like 3 so people have to wait 3 minutes between each time that they're allowed to type this command. And then the aliases are just other ways of doing it. So like if I wanted to do, say like leave, actually maybe like do hide, then I can add that. And then if somebody types !hide, it will add that, like it'll say the command. And for command keywords, this is basically typing the word without the exclamation mark. So if I wanted to put like lurk here, then anytime anybody says the word lurk in any message, even if it doesn't say !lurk, it will say this command to them. So I'm not actually going to do that for this command, but that can be useful for some other ones. Then once you've done all that, you'll just come click activate command, and there you go. There's your new command right there. You can just come in at any time and edit anything you want about it. Alright, for the next part of the video, we're going to be setting up commands that you're going to use for your queue. So you're first going to want to open Nightbot. You'll probably have to sign in with Twitch again. And then this should be the page you're on. You're going to want to come to commands, then custom. And I actually already have all the queue commands here, but for this video I'm just going to redo all of them. So there's another link in the description that leads to this website. I think you'll also have to sign in again, but here's all the commands for the queue. If you don't want certain ones, you can uncheck them, and then just check all of these, go through, uncheck any ones that you don't want, and then come down here, check this little box that says I double check the command names, existing commands may be overwritten, and then click install commands. Once it's finished installing, you should be greeted with this message, and when you go over to Nightbot and refresh, you should see your commands here. You can come in and edit them, and you can change like the cooldown, the user level, all that stuff. But yeah, so there's your chatbot commands all ready for the queue. And there we go. That's pretty much it for setting up your chatbot commands. In the future, I plan to release more tutorial videos like this, such as some for setting up your overlays and your panels on Twitch and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to be notified when I do post any of those videos, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.